In the xy plane, the point P comma R lies on the line with equation y equals to x positive b, where b is a constant. The point with coordinates 2p comma 5r lies on the line with equation y equals to 2x positive b. If p is not equal to 0, what is the value of r over p? Okay, the question says the point P comma R lies on the line y equals to x positive b. Okay, since we have this point P comma R is on the line y equals to x positive b, we can plug in this x coordinate P for x over here and the y coordinate R for y over here. Okay, let me do it. Then I'm getting R is equal to P positive b. So I consider this is equation number 1. Okay, now there is another information, that is a point with coordinates 2p comma 5r is on the line y equals to 2x positive b. That means I can plug in the x coordinate 2p for this x and the y coordinate 5r for this y. Let me do it. Then I'm getting 5r equals to 2 times for this x we can plug in the x coordinate 2p. So 2 times 2p positive b. Okay, let me simplify this equation. Then I'm getting 5r is equal to 2 times 2p is 4p positive b. So I consider this is equation number 2. Okay, our aim is to get the value of r over p. But in both the equations, apart from r and p, we have another constant b. So now we have to get rid of this constant b. So for that, what should I do? If I subtract the two equations, I can eliminate b. Okay, so for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract the first equation from the second equation. So now let me write the second equation as it is. That is 5r equals to 4p positive b. Okay, now in front of the first equation we have a negative sign. That means we have to multiply both sides of the first equation by -1 or negative sign. So when I multiply this r by negative sign, it will just become negative r. When I multiply this p by negative sign, it will become negative p. When I multiply this positive b by negative sign, it will become negative b. So now this positive b, negative b will cancel out. So when I simplify 5r negative r, I'm getting 4r. On the right side, if I simplify 4p negative p, I'm getting 3p. Okay, now actually we need r over p, but we have r on the left side, p on the right side. So to get r over p in this equation, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides by 1 over p. Let me finish it. So 4r times 1 over p we have on the left side. On the right side, 3p times 1 over p. So both sides of this equation is multiplied by 1 over p. So this p will cancel out. And when I multiply this 4r times 1, it will be 4r over p equals to, and here when I multiply this 3 and 1, I'm getting 3. Okay, now, so still I have to get rid of this 4 so that I can get the value of r over p. So to get rid of this 4, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides by 1 over 4. So when I multiply both sides by 1 over 4, this 4 will cancel out. So on the left side, we just have r over p. On the right side, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 over 4. I got the value of r over p. So the value of r over p is 3 over 4. So the correct answer choice for this question is option B.